is a tour of the lifts in Yeovil, which is a small town in Somerset. This town is full of houses. However, the buildings that they do have some really nice architecture. Just look at the hospital. It looks so nice and brutalist. And now to the first lift, which is an Otis Gen 2 lift in Tesco Extra.
Doors closing. First floor. Doors opening.
I'm not getting it.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Going down. Doors closing.
Okay, this is the Otis Gen 2 lift with the horrible voice. It is glass and it's very smooth and nice. At Tesco Extra in Yeovil.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
And now to the town centre and to the eco-disc lift in M&S, which wasn't working. Oh well, what a shame. Oh well, there are other eco-discs. It's out of service. Oh dear. Oh well. It is an eco-disc. And now to an old Evans lift in WH Smith. I initially thought this was an Otis. This is the lift. This is an old Otis lift. It's an old Otis lift at WH Smith in Yeovil. And that's it. And now to the next lift, which is an eco-disc lift in Primark. This is the eco-disc lift at Primark in Yeovil. And now along to Boots, which has a really nice and posh generic lift with fast doors. I originally thought this was a Schindler, however it's Boots. What do you expect? This is the Schindler lift at Boots in Yeovil. It's here. Well, I thought this was a Schindler, but it says Pickering, so I've been mistaken once again. It's a very good...
First floor.
I knew Schindler would be too good for tourists. I think... I've got a theory that this is an old Schindler lift, modernised by Pickering's. Yeah, I think it's an old Schindler modernised by Pickering's. And that's it for Boots in Yeovil and Waters. And that's it. And now into the Queedom shopping centre and to the Schindler lifts to the car park. For some reason, these lifts have Schindler indicators on the outside but generic indicators on the inside. What?
Doors closing. Basement. Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing. Ground floor. Doors opening. Doors closing.
And that's it. That's Schindler lifts to Queedom. Now to New Look in the Queedom shopping centre, which has an eco-disc lift. There we go.
Going down. Doors closing.
Oh, that scared me for a bit. This is the eco-disc lift at New Look in Yeovil.
First floor. Doors opening. Going down. Doors closing.
Yeah, this is the eco-disc lift at New Look in Yeovil. It's so silent, it's like it's not even moving, but it is.
Floor 0. Doors opening. Going down.
Sorry.
Doors closing.
And now to the final lift in the Queedom shopping centre, which is a posh eco-disc in H&M.
Going up. First floor.
Should we go first? I'm not getting out.
Going down.
This is the eco-disc lift in H&M in Yeovil.
Floor
One
0.
of these really nice posh ones. And now to a retail park on Sherborne Road near Yeovil Pen Mill and to the first lift there, which is an Otis Gen 2 lift in TK Maxx. This is the lift at TK Maxx at the Sherborne Road retail park in Yeovil. It's got a very quiet, horrible Otis voice. Yeah, and that's it. And now to a really noisy generic lift in Sports Direct.
opening. Ground floor. Doors closing.
This is the generic lift.
Lift going up.
This is the generic lift. In Sports Direct at the Sherborne Retail Park. Sherborne Road Retail Park.
Doors.
Yeovil.
Doors closing.
Nice lifting that good.
Lift going down.
Very loud. And that's it.
Doors opening. Ground floor. Doors closing.
And now to the other side of Yeovil into a really nice clunky generic lift in B&Q. I did not know this was here. It just happened that Mum and Dad wanted to go to B&Q, and this is the lift in B&Q, which is a load of junk. It's very old. This is not as noisy as the one in whatever it is. Go back down. Fast doors, that's quite good. Wow, I did not expect B&Q to have this. Yeah, this is very old. And that is it for B&Q in Yeovil. No clue what that lift is. No clue. And now along to Oak Furniture Land, which has an eco-disc lift. Because it was getting quite dark and Dad needed to do some electronic work on the house, here is a clip from another video.
This is currently we've got one. Take care of you. Yeah. 8,630 grams. Yeah. May 2008 when I was born. I got 0 grams.